BingX is a global crypto trading platform that is still accessible to many users in Singapore, where traders commonly use it for spot trading, futures, and copy trading features. While the platform generally allows Singapore-based users to register and access its services without blocking IPs, it is important to understand that BingX is not fully licensed as a digital payment token service provider under the Monetary Authority of Singapore, or MAS. Because of this, it operates as an offshore exchange for Singapore users, rather than a locally regulated platform. Despite this, many traders in Singapore continue to use BingX due to its wide range of features, including spot and derivatives trading, demo accounts for practice, and its popular copy trading system that allows users to follow experienced traders. The platform is available on both mobile and web, making it convenient for beginners as well as advanced users who want flexible trading tools. However, users should also be aware of the risks and limitations. Since BingX is not MAS regulated, it does not offer the same level of investor protection as locally licensed exchanges. Certain payment methods, especially local banking options, may also be restricted or less convenient compared to regulated platforms. Additionally, regulatory policies can change over time, so users should always stay updated with Singapore's crypto guidelines. Overall, BingX remains accessible and functional in Singapore, but it is best suited for users who understand the risks of using an offshore exchange and practice proper risk management when trading.